If you want to create us a booking in Zapier, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can connect your apps, build the workflow, test it properly, and publish it with confidence. This is a great way to automate bookings, save time, and make sure your process runs smoothly without doing everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button and click it. This is where you start building new automations. From the options that appear, select Zap Workflows. That takes you into the main workflow builder where you can create a new automation from scratch. Now, you'll need to set up the trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, so click on Trigger to begin. In the app search box, type Jotform and select it from the list. Jotform is often used for booking forms, appointment requests, and lead capture, so it makes sense as the starting point for a booking workflow. After that, choose an event. If you're not sure which one to use, pick any available event for now so you can continue the setup and configure it properly in the next steps. Then log into your Jotform account when Zapier asks for access. Once the account is connected, you're ready to move forward. Next, click on Action. This is the step that tells Zapier what should happen after the trigger is detected. In the app search box, type Google Calendar and select it. Google Calendar is the app you'll usually use to create or manage booking events because it can turn form submissions into calendar appointments automatically. After selecting Google Calendar, click on Choose an Event and select any option that matches your booking process. Again, if you're just getting the workflow built first, you can choose an event now and refine it later if needed. Then log into your Google account so Zapier can connect with your calendar. Once both the trigger and action are connected, look for the Build It button at the top and click it. This is where Zapier begins assembling your workflow so the settings can be reviewed and adjusted. Take a moment to check that your trigger and action are correct and make sure the booking process matches what you want. If anything looks off, this is the time to go back and fix it before publishing. After that, click Test Run. Testing is very important because it lets you confirm that the booking automation works the way you expect. When you test the workflow, Zapier checks whether the trigger is firing and whether the action can be completed successfully. If the test passes, that means your setup is working and the booking flow is ready to go. If something fails, review the connected accounts and selected events, then run the test again until everything looks right. Finally, click Publish. This activates the automation and turns your booking workflow live. Once published, Zapier will be able to handle the process automatically whenever the trigger happens, which saves you time and reduces manual work. And that's it. You've now created a booking workflow in Zapier from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.